Ito na. Yun.
Second song.
Second.
Our next song is from Carney.
Oh! Hindi ba yan yung ano?
Si Rosales.
Let me know.
No.
Let me know. Kaya yun ang pinakagusto ko sa kanila. Kasi ang galing niya mag-rap doon eh. Sarap niyang pitikin sa ilong, ano?
Si Carmine.
Galing-galing mo talaga. Oh. Saan na ganun ako matuwa eh. Lumayo ka sa akin pag natuwa ko sa'yo. Okay. Anong song ni Carmen?
Broken Heart.
Ayun, yung isang pinakasikat nila original, Broken Hearted. Yung ba story ng buhay niyo ngayon?
Si Garrett.
Sino? Lahat to.
Double dead yan.
Actually, daw Broken Hearted. Sabi ko, Broken Hearted kaya naman, double dead.
Double dead.
Bakit? Alamin natin. Tira, maglagay tayo ng isang background ng pang maalaala mo.
Dalawa eh.
Garrett, ikwento ang story ng buhay. Ayun na pala eh. May mali sa ginagawa mo eh. May mali. What? Mama! May mali pa rin. Eh kasi dapat, tapos na yung nagsasalita, gumagalaw pa rin yung bibig mo. Yun!
Who's your teacher? Affect your kung fu.
Yung Kung Fu! Ma, Kung Fu better than yung Kung Fu!
Sa lahat ng Black American, ito yung nagcha-Chinese.
Bakit? Meron naman Chinese, ano yun?
Para kasing native.
Pwede.
Pwede.
Oh, parang kokomban lang yun, man.
Hi, banda.
Ano daw?
Hi, banda. Pa-request naman po ng Call Me Maybe.
Ano yung spelling daw ng request niya?
Okay naman po.
Okay naman. Kasi minsan R-E-K-W-E-S-T. Request. Okay, ako babasahin ko naman yung request.
Pagka ano naman, pag guest singer naman, yung guest hulaan mo.
Ayun.
Ay, mas maisa-is pa yan. Kasi yung sa amin, madalas yung guest, ano eh, yung, ano yun?
Eh lalo na yung mga nagpapag-rate.
Yun, pag-rate naman.
Pag-rate nga po.
Oo, tapos pag nagpapa-acknowledge ng stall, yung stall stool.
Yeah.
Diba?
Pag-rate naman ng mga taga-waiting shade.
May na-encounter pa ako na isang araw, para yung grade niya, G-R-A-T-E. Sabi ko na lang sa Eric, keso ka, keso? Gusto mo i-grade kita ngayon, ha?
Kudkuran.
Oo, kudkuran. Anong title ng song daw?
Broken Hearted.
Ay, yun nga pala.
Garrett.
Si Garrett nga pala. Para kay Garrett to. Ayan. Dedicate natin kay Garrett. Hope he likes it.
You do the introduction this time.
Na? You're...
Para... Sige.
ikaw ang ano eh. Ikaw ang talagang maestro pagdating sa introduction.
Sige. Okay, to give... Great!
Great.
Oh, great.
To give us their version of the song Broken Hearted. Second song today, Tunog Lokal, September 1st edition. Accento!
It's more than a typical kind of thing. The joints in my clothes, are you touching me? Oh, didn't wanna take it slow. In the days going crazy, I can barely think. You're replaying in my brain, find it hard to sleep. Oh, waiting for my phone to blow. Oh yeah. Situation, got a little trouble, yep, and now I'm pacing 5 minutes, 10 minutes, now it's been an hour. Don't wanna cheat too hard, but I'm sour. Oh, I can't seem to let you go. See, I've been waiting all day for you to call me baby. So let's get up, let's get on it. Don't you leave me broken hearted tonight. Come on, that's right. Honest, baby, I'll do anything you want to. So can we finish what we started? Don't you leave me broken hearted tonight. Come on, that's right, a cheerio. What's the times that you cry? I'm not a single word. Sipping on your patrol just to calm my nerves. Oh, popping bottles by the phone. Oh yeah. Act me up, pat me down, turn me inside. Hey, anything you wanna do, I'll be on it too. Everything you say, it's like gold with a view. This is on the front, party in the back. Maybe I was wrong, was that ever really whack? This kind of thing doesn't happen usually. I'm on the opposite side of it, truthfully. I know you want it, so come and get it. A Cheerio. I've been waiting all day for you to call me baby. So let's get up, let's get on it. Don't you leave me broken hearted tonight. Oh, oh, oh. Honest, baby, I'll do anything you want to. So can you finish what we started? Don't you leave me broken hearted tonight. Come on, that's right, a Cheerio. When you wanna call, don't leave me broken hearted. I'm waiting up, let's finish what we started. Oh, oh, I can seem to let you go. Come on, that's right, a Cheerio. Thank you so much.
And you are most welcome! Yeah!
Inunahan ko na, baka magulat ulit ako eh.
Hindi ko talaga matanggal sa isip ko kanina. As in talagang gulat ni Jenny. As in talagang... nakita ko, naka-record sa camera yon. Panoorin nga natin ulit. Ano pa yung sinabi ko kasi? Sabi ko lang naman, ano eh. Yay! Tama ba? Ano pa yung
Quick
sinabi ko?
question.
What?
Before I click save,
Yeah.
pipindot ba ako rito sa dulo?
Oo, mas maganda.
On air.
Oo. Kasama sa istorya ng buhay yan eh. Yan, para nakasave yung high quality audio. Bukod doon, yung ano rin, yung video. Para pwede na natin panoorin uli. Oops, wag muna. Live pa sila eh. Mamaya na. Okay, dito muna tayo sa live para masaya. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, ang Tunog Lokal po, radio show ng 89.5 kung saan kami nag-i-invite ng mga bands. And right now, we got Accento! And nakarinig na kanilang dalawang songs. Recorded na po rin yan live. Pwede nyo nang ulitin ulit sa YouTube and Ustream video. Pero in the meantime, ulitin natin yung mga cellphone numbers para tawagan nyo po sila kung kailangan nyo ng alin. Of course, isang matinding banda para sa inyong event. Lalo nga ngayon, no? Mapa-weddings, mapa-dabu, mapa-convention,
party.
Christmas parties.